Hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today, I'm gonna tell you about another way to do telekinesis. Yes, there's many ways to do telekinesis, not just my way. And in the past month or so, I've been practicing and training a different method. A method I learned from a different master. A master you might even know about. He too is very popular on YouTube. I'm not gonna say his name because he asked me not to. But many of you might know him. This technique, I'm not gonna teach you how to do it, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, because this method, this technique is not based on emotions. It's not based on the feeling you have towards the object. It's a different approach. An approach which has never really worked for me in the past, and also doesn't work for me in the present. But it might work for me in the future. That's why I'm practicing it right now. Like I said earlier, this method is not based on emotions. You don't need a connection to your object, just like with my technique. And also, the breathing I do with the other method, you don't need to do that. That's why it's so complicated for me. But I must tell you, there is many different telekinesis methods for different personalities. Many of you guys who've been practicing the telekinesis method I am teaching for a long time and have no results. Maybe my method is just not the right one for you. But this is something you have to see and decide for yourself. Not me, nor any other master could tell you that. You have to figure that out yourself. And in order to do this, you need to practice, you need to meditate, you need to do the breathing to see if the breathing fills your oxygen with enough, fills your brain with enough oxygen to do telekinesis. But let me tell you a little about the other method. The other method is way more visual. You know how you guys often ask me, what do you imagine when you do telekinesis? What do you think about when you do telekinesis? And my answer is always, I don't think about anything. I try to clear my mind. But for the new method, that is the wrong approach. For the new method, you do have to imagine how you move the object. You picture it exactly how it's moving, where it's moving to. And your emotions, you try to calm your emotions. So you do telekinesis with the thinking, with the brain, but your heart and emotions and feelings are suppressed. So when you do the meditation is important for both techniques. But you meditate towards different goals. For the new technique, for the new method, well, it's not a new method, it's new to me. You have to suppress the feelings and focus on the visuals. I close my eyes, see the object, for example, a pen, and then I picture in my mind how it's moving back and forth, or how it's going up and down, flying, or whatever it is I want to do. And then if the picture in your head is strong enough, you can manifest it, and then it actually happens. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been practicing this method for like a month, I would say, a little longer. That is why I haven't been doing many telekinesis videos lately. I am learning a new method, and obviously I can't show you any method. Do you want to know how often this new method worked for me? Not one time, because I've been doing it for a month. Maybe in a couple of years I can achieve that. But for that I'm gonna be very patient. I have to forget what I know and learn something new. But for the future, for this channel, I'm gonna keep teaching you my method, the guru method. But I'm making this video for you right now, so you are aware that there's other methods out there, and no method is better or worse. It's like comparing apples and oranges. One method is gonna work for you better, the other method is gonna work for me better. So please don't be discouraged and have an open mind, because only with an open mind you can learn telekinesis. And it doesn't matter if it's your telekinesis, my telekinesis, his telekinesis, or her telekinesis. I'm just talking about two very opposite methods to do telekinesis. But be aware, there is more than those two. I hope you learned something in this video. I hope you can be open-minded to learn something new, and maybe my method is not the right for you. But I think whatever method you want to learn, this method you can learn. Can I be 100% sure? No, of course not. But that is why I tried to learn the new method. And after almost 20 years doing telekinesis, I try to do a new method. And if I can learn and unlearn my method, that means that anybody can learn whatever you want. That's it for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And even if I don't answer those comments with comments, I do read them. And I take them into my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. And have a good day.